Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for the Amazon membership, for the Audible membership in the Audible app. First we have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu, which opens up like this. From here we just go into the top right corner, tap on the cog icon, then we scroll down and under membership we have details. We tap on this, and then if we don't have a membership so far, as it is in our case, we can just tap on explore plans, and it's going to redirect us to where we can see these plans. We can start a 30-day free trial, which will cost us £8 a month after 30 days. Or we can, we have a few more options. Audible monthly, which means 2 credits per month. Audible Premium Plus, which means some more extra benefits. Audible Premium Plus Annual, but these obviously cost much more. So we can select from this list whichever fits us best. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.